All right, whenever you're running plumbing, I always use safety gloves for plumbing and anything else. And this is something that I like. Look at these gloves, well made, well structure, extra cover. They're nitrogen gloves. Put these on.
So we got some heavy duty protective working gloves. So we're working around metal, wood, construction, for whatever purpose you need them for. These are perfect for that. So don't hurt your hands.
All right, so they have 2 layers on it, protective. And on top of that, do they work with your phone? Let's find out.
Siri.
So it works with your phone. They do work with your phone.